Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk a little bit more about exercise. A little while ago I did a video on why muscles don't attract. Women don't care about muscles. The right woman will be with you for who you are, not your muscular build. If you're with the right woman and she compliments your muscles, she admires that you take care of yourself. Your muscular build is a bonus to her. If you want to give her that bonus, that extra credit, by all means, build your muscles. I exercise every morning before breakfast. I genuinely believe in empty stomach training. Work your natural energy before you eat your first meal in the morning. I use dumbbells, I use barbells, do body weight exercises some days, full body conditioning and sprints other days, and recently I've learned about cables and resistance bands. Do I prefer one over the other? Absolutely not. I own both. I recommend you invest in both yourself. With cables, you want a company that gets good reviews. You want the cables to last a nice long time and be strong and durable. The right cables will also have labels on them to tell you how much weight resistance is on each cable when you're ready to lift. In my case, I use lightweight when I'm warming up, switch to heavier weight when I'm ready to lift heavy. You also want cables to have additional features, not just handles to pull on them with your hands. The right cables should also come with ankle straps, so you can attach your ankles and work leg exercises. Never skip leg day, right? A good set of cables will also come with a door mount. I wouldn't use these on a simple door like the bedroom door or the bathroom door because that can actually damage the door. A strong door like the front door will help a lot better. You will shut the front door with the door mount mounted on the top or bottom depending on your exercise and get ready to lift. You can work the chest, back, shoulders, biceps, and triceps. With resistance bands, different colors and different widths will represent the different levels of resistance weight when you're ready to use them. You can use the lighter weights when you are ready to start out for the first time, and when you're getting used to them, you can still use the lighter weights for warm-ups. You can do some of the same exercises that you would do with the cables, but you will work the muscles in different ways. You can also do different exercises with the bands that you wouldn't do with the cables. If you have a door-mounted pull-up bar, you can also wrap these around the pull-up bar and do tricep push-downs. A good set of bands will arrive with other good additional features that allow you to work different exercises as well. It all works, and that's what I have to say today. If you like what I shared today, let me know in the comments section. Like and share if you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos. Hit the bell if you want notifications, because I'm creating for you. Have a great week and a great life, and always love yourself for who you are. Godspeed.